The Emsculpt Neo is a groundbreaking device that is redefining body contouring and strength enhancement. This innovative technology is designed to help individuals achieve their aesthetic goals, such as restoring the coveted thigh gap, while simultaneously improving muscle strength. The Emsculpt Neo uses a combination of radiofrequency heating and high-intensity focused electromagnetic energy, HIFEM, to target fat and muscle tissues in the thigh area. The radiofrequency heating first warms up the muscles, preparing them for exposure to HIFEM energy. This process not only reduces fat by causing fat cells to undergo apoptosis, cell death, but also stimulates muscle fibers, leading to increased muscle density and volume. As a result, users can see a significant reduction in thigh circumference, helping to restore a thigh gap for those who desire it. Moreover, the Emsculpt Neo's ability to enhance muscle strength is unparalleled. By inducing approximately 20,000 muscle contractions in a 30-minute session, it simulates the effects of an intense workout, strengthening the thigh muscles. This dual-action approach ensures that users not only achieve a more aesthetically pleasing appearance but also enjoy improved muscle function and strength. The Emsculpt Neo offers a unique solution for individuals looking to restore their thigh gap and boost their strength simultaneously. With no downtime required, it's an efficient and effective way to achieve your body contouring and fitness goals. Call our office today and schedule an Emsculpt Neo session to see how this amazing technology can benefit you firsthand.